Hey everyone, this is day 8 of building a marketing system for home service businesses. And today is all about figuring out where your ideal clients are hanging out. This will set the foundation of the entire marketing strategy that we will be using to market your business on social media. For home service businesses, your ideal clients are often hanging out in local online spaces, such as Facebook groups, LinkedIn groups, community forums, and even on engaging hashtags. By being present in those communities, you're not just showcasing your services, but also you are being a part of that community that you want to sell to. Today, I'm focusing on finding out where those spaces are on your social media. Where do you go to on Facebook? What do you use on Instagram? And how do you navigate through different social media platforms to find your ideal target audience and where they normally hang out in? This could mean engaging on local community groups, engaging on the hashtags on TikTok. Today, I'm focusing on identifying those online spaces where your ideal clients are typically going to hang out in. And one of the first things that we need to know before we do this is understanding your audience. We need to understand where they go to, what kind of hashtags they use, and what kind of keywords they put into their profile so that we can navigate through those resources and find the right type of client that we want to work with. This could mean joining those Facebook groups that your ideal clients are most likely going to be in, the hashtags that they use, and using that as a leverage to find your ideal client and engage with them and build your own community and your brand. If you're unsure where to start and if you want to see how this works for your business, click the link below and join my private group where I will be sharing how to show up in these spaces and use them to reach more people. Tomorrow, we're diving into finding out the top hashtags your ideal clients are most likely going to be using when they're posting content on social media. This will help you not only categorize their content, but also help you find the right type of client that you want to reach out and engage with. These hashtags are a powerful way to increase your visibility and also helps with prospecting. Don't miss it. See you there.